every vehicle has a trademark. When we see on a vehicle S on the bonnet, we know it is a Maruti Suzuki product. When we see in a circle letter T, we know it is a Tata product. And when we see in a circle H, we know that vehicle is Hyundai company. When we see a circle and one line vertical and two lines slanted below, we know it belongs to Benz company, Mercedes-Benz. And when you see one vertical oval shape and another horizontal oval shape in a form of a cross, we know that vehicle is of the Qualis company. And when you see slanted M, we know it belongs to Mahindra. Or W and W slightly overlapped, we know that vehicle is Volkswagen, and so on. Then what is the trademark of Christians? The answer is found in today's gospel. Love. Why love? Bible says God is love. He created everything out of love. He redeemed us out of love. The message of Jesus is love. And Jesus says, you have heard, love your neighbor and hate your enemies. But I say to you, love your enemies and pray for those who persecute you. This is our trademark. Otherwise, you tell me, what is the difference between a Christian and those who belong to other faiths? We have to be different from them, not through our dress code, not through our food habits, not from our language, not from our culture. The only distinction, the trademark is that our love is governed by love. Our life is equal to love. And how to love our enemies? When I pray for my enemies, when I wish them well, when I send them prayer greeting, not necessary to them directly, but I wish them well through my mind, through my heart. I pray for their welfare. I am loving my enemies. And when I pray for my enemies, what happens to my enemies? Sometimes there is effect and sometimes there is no effect. That doesn't matter. But there is a great effect in me when I pray for my enemies. I change. I become purer and purer. I become peaceful. I become cheerful. Let us try to practice this from today onwards. Let us earnestly pray for our enemies and people who do not like us or people we do not like them.